It's a beautiful day to be Gordon, I guess. Wait, remember that Henry problem, guys? I surely don't remember that. Me either. I call an agreement with Percy. Yeah, for once. I heard that, James. That was not nice. Shut up, all of you. I'm still the leader. And you listen to me, all of you. Including you, old teapot in the back. And you, old steam tram who's going to Railgate. Henry, calm down. No. Okay then, bye. So, what now? Wait, what about Henry? I should find him. Percy, wait. Ow. Henry. Henry, are you good? Yes. Stole your tender. No, my tender. Here goes this again. Guys, I got his tender. What now? Guys, I think Henry's gonna get, his tender back because you stole it from him. And he's probably gonna attack all of us, including number 1. Tim. Thomas. Oh yeah, Tim, Thomas. Ah, dang. I forgot your name. Tell me it again. It's Thomas. How many times do I have to tell you, James? It's Thomas, not Tim, not Tom, not Tommy. It's Thomas. Okay, Thomas, we get your name is Tim. So, I'm back. Percy, no. And you're next. Nah. Old steam pot. Oh dear. I'm out. You can't get out of here. I can. You won't. If you're going down, I'm going with you. Nah. Well, this is over. Bye, guys. Tell the others that I survived if you see them, okay?